Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is one of the other interview question uh, I have taken. So this is one scenario. Like this scenario is like relating to the hierarchy. Let's look into the scenario. Uh, you are employed by a retail company that has stores across India and overseas. Your manager has now requested that you present the hierarchy according to location. So your manager is requesting to present the hierarchy according to location. So beginning with the name of the continent as an ad hoc task. So please refine the query and show the outcomes. So for this, we had to identify the hierarchy. So that is top level node. It's like first world. So within the world, next to Asia and Europe. Okay, like that. So first I had to create the one sample table that is the locations. So this table I have created. And using this, I have inserted these many records, some sample data. So for example, in this part, if you look into the data, so world, so this is the ID. So first ID and name and parent ID. So parent ID first world I have taken as the null. So this is the top level node. So level one. And level two called as within the world we'll consider as the continent called as these two, Asia and Europe. Next, Asia called as countries, India, okay, and other one, this one, okay, uh, Japan. So similarly, we had to get divide with the Germany and France. So after then, the next level is city. So Delhi, Tokyo, Berlin, and Paris. Okay. So these locations we had to display as the hierarchy. So let's look into the table first. Select a star from locations. If you check with the locations table, we will get the records like this: ID, name, and parent ID is available. Okay. So now we'll try to write the query first. So first we'll try to write as the level one. So level one called as null. Okay. So select ID, comma, name, comma, parent ID, comma, one as level. So why I had taken as one as level called as, so initially the level is this one, this null as I have considered as null. Okay, so first world as one. Next, we'll consider as cast. Here I will try to write as name, cast of name. So again we have to one more brace. This one as varchar of max. Okay, so this complete thing will call as hierarchy. Hierarchy. Okay, from the table name is locations, where parent ID is null. So first we'll check with this one if we get the records or not. Okay, so we are getting with the level one hierarchy is world. So first record we are getting. So this complete thing will put in the CTE with CTE as open brace and here I will try to write with one more query, that is this is I'm writing CTE part. This one we are getting level one. So next we'll get with the level two. So level two, how we'll get? So by using union all, we have to appending the data. So next, I will try to write as so select ID comma name comma parent ID comma level. So here level is so direct. I will try to get with the level. Okay, first okay, I will write the level first. Level plus 1 as level. So level plus 1 as level. So we are getting with the level 2. So that is the reason I am trying to write as the 1 as level. Next cast of. So in this cast we'll try to get with this hierarchy complete thing. So cast of hierarchy plus name, this one as varchar of max again, and up to this one we had to close this part cast. We had to end this part cast as hierarchy. Okay. So for example, if we execute this, so okay, first we'll write with the from clause also. After then we can join from locations. Okay. Now we'll try to join with the CTE. Okay. So CTE is storing with up to this part. Okay, entire CTE. But from locations, join CTE so here CTE how will join with this one locations and CTE, right? Okay, so locations, so here also locations, so this one I will take as T1, this locations I will consider as T2. Okay, join CTE, so CTE will consider as one more alias, that is M. For time being I'm taking as some alias name, or else direct will write with the CTE also. CTE on. Now we'll try to get with this T2 dot parent ID on condition equal to CTE dot ID. Okay. Now we'll give the alias names here. So for this one T2 dot ID name also we are getting from T2 dot name, and parent ID we are getting T2 dot parent ID, and this level we are getting from the CTE. So M dot level or else CTE, right? We giving CTE dot level. Okay. So CTE dot level, and here also the hierarchy. So hierarchy also above one. So CTE dot hierarchy name. So name is we are getting from this one T2 table 2 T2 called as. Okay. Right. Hierarchy we have written. Now we'll try to execute this part. Up to this one we have to close and select a star from CTE directive. Okay. So here, if we look into this query output, we are getting the all mixing. So our level is getting okay, fine. So level is getting, for example, world. So world is one first level, Asia and Europe. That is the second level continent. And Germany, France is we are getting the third level. And Paris, Berlin is fourth level. Remaining cities are in this one. So city is called as India, Japan. Here again consider with the third level. Okay. Now we'll try to get with the hierarchy. So if you look into the hierarchy is mixing like world Asia. So it's not good. Let's divide with the by using delimiters. So we can apply with the delimiter where we can apply hierarchy. After hierarchy, here some different way plus hierarchy. Now we'll try to see the output some better way. Okay. So now world Asia, Europe, world Europe, Germany, world Europe, France. So first we are getting Asia and Europe. Then all Asia, Germany and France. All Asia, India, Japan. Next, fourth one as so this one cities, Paris and Berlin. Next, Tokyo and Delhi. Okay. So this way we will try to write with the hierarchy part. So how this query is to be working? Let's look into this one. So this one first we have written as the CTE part. Okay. So but before writing the CTE, we have written as this one first hierarchy. So in this hierarchy, first we'll get with the ID name, parent ID, one as the level. So this is set to this one as set to indicating the top level of the hierarchy. And hierarchy is this cast of name. This entire thing is hierarchy. This column stores the hierarchy path as a string. So starting with the name of the location. Okay. Then where parent ID is null. So and initialize with the hierarchy string. Then recursive part. So recursive part is this one. So the second part. So in this recursive part, so t2.id name, parent ID, level, this entire thing, we are getting the direct columns. So level as mainly it increments the level. So this increments the level by 1 for each child location, indicating this the position of the hierarchy. Next, for this cast is hierarchy is constructs the hierarchy path by appending the child location. Okay. So coming to the final output, this is the final output. Select a star from CTE will execute with the final output. So how this one is working called as mainly first it will execute as the anchor case. So anchor case called as this world. So world is the parent ID equals to null and it is sets to 1 hierarchy. And first recursion. So first recursion called as this part Asia and Europe. So finds Asia and Europe children of world. So it sets to the level 2. Then second thought the for further recursion called as so. 1 minute. So further recursion is mainly Asia finds with India. So Asia is finds with India. So India and China. Okay. So this is level 3. Sorry, not China, Japan. So India and Japan as the third level. And this Europe and Germany also, Europe and Germany will finds with the world. Okay. Next, like Europe, this one. So Europe is finds with Germany and France. So final recursion is this part. So Berlin and Paris and Tokyo and Delhi. So this is the final output. Okay. Thank you. So we will try to see the next video, next another scenario of this SQL part. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. I will share this code in the video description. Please look into it and comment. After you're checking with the query, please comment it. If you are writing any another way, please try to write in the comment section and share. Thank you.